Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly build wealth through the stock market? Is the idea of investing in stocks daunting, leaving you unsure where to start? Well, fear not, because today we're embarking on a journey to demystify stock investing and equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate this exciting world. Join us as we unravel the complexities, define key strategies, and unveil the secrets to building wealth in the stock market. Number 1, understanding the basics. Before venturing into the world of stock investing, let's lay down the foundational knowledge. Stocks, bonds, dividends. These terms may sound daunting, but they're simply pieces of a larger puzzle. Stocks represent ownership in a company, bonds are loans to entities, and dividends are a share of profits distributed to shareholders. Additionally, familiarize yourself with major stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and NASDAQ, where companies are listed and traded. Understanding these fundamentals will serve as your compass in navigating the complexities of the stock market. Number 2, defining your investment goals. Imagine embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. Sounds aimless, doesn't it? Similarly, defining your investment goals is paramount to charting a successful financial course. Take a moment to ponder. What do you seek to achieve through investing? Are you aiming for long-term wealth accumulation, or perhaps seeking immediate income? Clarifying your objectives provides clarity and direction, guiding your investment decisions along the way. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education, knowing your destination is the first step towards reaching it. So grab a pen and paper and jot down your financial aspirations. By defining your investment goals, you're laying the groundwork for a prosperous future. Number 3, assessing your risk tolerance. Risk. It's the heartbeat of investing, pulsating with uncertainty and opportunity. But how much risk can you stomach? Before diving into the stock market, take a moment to assess your risk tolerance. Consider your financial situation, time horizon, and emotional resilience. Are you comfortable with the possibility of short-term losses in pursuit of long-term gains? Or do you prefer a more conservative approach, prioritizing capital preservation? Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial in constructing a well-balanced investment portfolio. It serves as a guiding compass, steering you towards investments that align with your comfort level. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to risk tolerance. It's a deeply personal decision shaped by your unique circumstances and preferences. So, take the time to reflect and embrace the level of risk that feels right for you. Number 4, diversifying your portfolio. Ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? Well, it's sage advice, especially in the world of investing. Diversification is your secret weapon against risk. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, you're effectively hedging your bets. Think of it as building a safety net beneath your portfolio. If one investment falters, others may thrive, balancing out overall performance. This strategy not only mitigates risk but also maximizes potential returns. So resist the temptation to go all in on a single stock or sector. Instead, embrace the power of diversification and watch as your portfolio weathers market storms with resilience. Number 5, educating yourself. In the fast-paced world of investing, knowledge truly is power. But fear not, you don't need a degree in finance to succeed. Dive into books written by investment gurus, devour financial news from trusted sources, and leverage the plethora of educational resources available online. Consider enrolling in courses or attending seminars to deepen your understanding further. The more you know about the stock market and investment strategies, the more confidently you'll navigate its twists and turns. So adopt a curious mindset and embrace lifelong learning. Equip yourself with the tools and insights needed to make informed investment decisions. Remember, investing is not a gamble. It's a calculated journey guided by knowledge and foresight. So arm yourself with information and watch as your confidence and wealth grow in tandem. Number 6, developing a long-term perspective. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, patience is a rare virtue, but one that's indispensable in the realm of stock investing. The stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the long-term perspective, understanding that fluctuations are an inherent part of the journey. While short-term volatility may rattle the nerves, history has shown that the market tends to trend upward over time. By staying invested and riding out the waves, you're positioning yourself for long-term success. So resist the urge to time the market or chase quick gains. Instead, focus on building a robust investment portfolio designed to withstand the test of time. Trust in the power of compounding returns and watch as your wealth grows steadily over the years. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a substantial investment portfolio. Number 7. Creating an investment plan. Imagine setting sail without a map or compass. A recipe for disaster, right? Similarly, embarking on your investment journey without a well-crafted plan is akin to navigating uncharted waters. Begin by setting clear objectives, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education. Next, define your asset allocation strategy. How will you divide your investments among stocks, bonds, and other asset classes? Establish a timeline for achieving your goals, breaking them down into manageable milestones. But remember, plans aren't carved in stone. They're dynamic and adaptable. Regularly review and adjust your investment plan as needed, taking into account changes in your financial situation or market conditions. By staying agile and proactive, you'll ensure that your investment journey remains on course, guiding you towards financial prosperity. Number 8. Staying calm during market volatility. The stock market resembles a tempestuous sea, with waves of volatility crashing against the shores of investor confidence. In such turbulent times, it's easy to succumb to fear and panic. But amidst the chaos, remember to stay anchored in calm waters. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term fluctuations, as they often lead to regret. Instead, maintain a steady hand and stay focused on your long-term goals. Trust in the resilience of your investment portfolio, knowing that volatility is merely a temporary storm on the horizon. By adopting a disciplined approach and adhering to your investment plan, you'll weather the market's ups and downs with grace. Number 9. Seeking professional advice if needed. Navigating the complexities of the stock market can feel like traversing a labyrinth, daunting and bewildering. But fear not, help is at hand. If you find yourself overwhelmed or uncertain, consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor. These seasoned professionals can offer personalized advice tailored to your unique financial situation and goals. Whether you're a novice investor or a seasoned veteran, a second opinion can provide invaluable clarity and reassurance. So don't hesitate to reach out and tap into their expertise. A financial advisor can help you craft a customized investment plan, navigate tax implications, and make informed decisions aligned with your long-term objectives. Remember, investing is not a solitary journey. It's a collaborative effort guided by knowledge and experience. So, leverage the expertise of professionals and embark on your investment journey with confidence. Number 10. Monitoring and reviewing your portfolio. Last but not least, keep a vigilant eye on your investment portfolio. Managing your investment portfolio without regular monitoring and review is a risky endeavor. Make it a habit to periodically assess the performance of your investments, ensuring they remain aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Keep an eye on market trends and news that may impact your portfolio, staying informed and adaptable in the face of change. Additionally, rebalance your portfolio as necessary to maintain your desired asset allocation. As life evolves and circumstances change, so too should your investment strategy. By staying proactive and engaged, you'll ensure that your portfolio remains optimized for success. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. So buckle up, stay vigilant, and enjoy the ride as you chart a course towards financial prosperity. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to building wealth in the stock market demystified. Armed with knowledge, patience, and a long-term perspective, you're now ready to embark on your investment journey. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay informed, stay calm, and stay focused on your goals. With the right mindset and a well-defined plan, you can unlock the power of the stock market and achieve financial success. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.